just want a very skinny little piece.
Just a skinny
Let go for me too.
What happened?
This one's already on.
Oh.
Listen,
I'll do it.
you want to smell it first?
Yes, she does.
You do?
Yes, she needs to smell
Smell
it.
it.
What if it's bad?
Smell it first.
Cece has whipped cream.
You want some whipped cream, Jamie?
Jamie, do you want whipped cream?
You want to smell it?
Want to smell the whipped cream?
Okay.
Whoa.
I think Jamie wants to smell it.
You want to smell it?
No, it's good. Robin, what kind of cake do you want?
Small cake.
No.
Here you go, this is
Cake. Okay.
Robin,
You smell
here's
it,
that
Jamie?
raspberry sauce.
Oh yeah, I want
Smell
raspberry
it?
sauce.
You like that? What did no do?
Smart. What?
It's so big.
Do you want? That'll help with your congestion.